Hi besties, so today I'll be showing you how you can properly add a payment details to your AdSense account. You already know that once you've gotten up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will monetize your channel. And once YouTube monetize your channel, you have to open a working AdSense account where you can receive your payment. Now on your AdSense account, once you've earned the threshold of $10, AdSense will have to bring out an option where you can add your bank details so that you can be able to get your money every month once you've gotten up to $100 threshold. So I'll be taking you down to how you can properly add these payment details in order to receive your money. Now this is a very important thing to note, because if you don't put your payment details correctly, your money will be hanging. AdSense might withhold your earnings until you correct the errors on your bank details. So whenever you are adding your bank details on your AdSense account, you have to be very careful in order not to make any mistake. So I'll be showing you how you can properly add these bank details to your AdSense account properly without any mistake, because once you make any mistake on adding your bank details, AdSense will withhold your earnings and it might be delayed or might not be sent to you. So let's get it started. I'll put my screen recording on. So my screen recording is on. We head straight to my AdSense account. So once you go to your AdSense, this is my AdSense. So we'll have to go to payment info. Get to payment info, you will see how you get paid. So once you've seen how you get paid, click on this add payment method. Once you click on this add payment method, you will see two options. One is add new wire transfer. The second one is add new check details. Always choose this first one, which is add new wire transfer details. Okay, so you click on it. Once you click on it, you will now start filling out all these prompts. So this beneficiary ID is optional. Then the name on your bank account, it must be exactly the way it's written on your bank account. No misplacement of names. So you have to write these names, and I'm sure you know that any name you are adding on this your bank account must tally with the name on your YouTube channel. Okay, don't make any mistake. Name is very important. So I'm going to write my name exactly the way it's shown on my bank details, on my bank account rather. So Enyeribe Goodness Enyeribe. So yeah, this is exactly the way it is on my bank account, and also the way it is on my YouTube channel. It must tally for them to know that yes, it's the same person. So you now add bank name. I'm using Guarantee Trust Bank, which is GT. So you can also add any your bank name. Of course, every bank has a name, so add your bank name. So I'm going to write here Guarantee Trust Bank. Okay, then this Swift BIC is Swift code. Now this is very important. Every bank have their own Swift code for international transfers. So I went to my own bank and they printed out this Swift code for me. So every bank have their own. So you just go to your bank, any bank you are operating, ask them for the Swift code for that particular bank. They will give it to you, and that is what you'll be inputting here. Make sure it's very correct. Don't do a guesswork. Go straight to your bank. They will print it out for you. Look at mine. They will print it out for you. Then you will now have to input your Swift code here. So here I'm going to write the Swift code, which is GT. This is the Swift code for GT Bank. Every GT bank, this is their Swift code or Swift BIC. So go to yours and get it and input it here. You've seen what they said here in this Swift BIC. They say it is often just called BIC, is an 8 or 11 character identification code for a particular bank. What it looks like: your bank's Swift BIC may be printed at the top of your bank statement, or contact your bank to get their code. What is for? Banks use Swift BICs when they transfer money or send message to another bank, okay? But on this here we are now using it for international transfer, okay? AdSense use it to verify your bank in order to send your money. So here you have to add your account number. Remember, the account number you're adding here is your dollar account number. Don't add your local bank account number, okay? If you've not opened a domiciliary account, you have to go now and open if you're in Nigeria, open a domiciliary account. Once you're opening a domiciliary account, you're opening 3 different bank accounts, okay? You are opening pounds, euro, and dollar. So that particular dollar account, that is the account number you'll be adding here. So I'm going to add mine, okay? So here it is. Then they will now ask you to retype the account number. Sorry for this. In order to make sure it's correct, so you retype it here. And be sure that there is no error, there is no mistake before you now send, because once you send it, I think you've sent it, but you have to be very, very vigilant, very, very sure that everything you've inputted here is correct, okay? Now, name on bank account, I've put my name, bank name, Guarantee Trust Bank. Please don't abbreviate this bank name, okay? You know that Guarantee Trust Bank in abbreviation is GTB, but you don't have to abbreviate it, because this AdSense, remember, they don't know that abbreviation. They need the full name of that your bank. So make sure you always put the full name, don't abbreviate it. Then the Swift code, like I said, go to your bank, they will print the Swift code for you, or you can check on top of any of your statement of account, check on the top, you will see it. And if you don't see it, go to your bank. It won't even take up to an hour, just a few minutes, if not seconds. They will print it for you and you are good to go. Then you put your account number. I think my account number is very much correct. I have to cross check it like twice to make sure that there is no error, no mistake. So this account number must be your dollar account. Don't make the mistake of adding your local bank account, your naira account if you are in Nigeria, because this money will be coming in dollar, okay? And I know you want that. Then you now retype your account number. Make sure that whatever you are retyping here is correct, is the same as this first one, which is your account number. Make sure it's very much correct. Then once you've gone through it and everything is okay, you can now click on this save. So I've checked everything, all the whole details are imputed. I have checked everything and I am good to go. It's correct and accurate. So what I'm going to do is to click this save button here to save this my payment method or payment info. So I'll click here. It's saving. All right, saving. So it's saved. Now if you click here, you are going to see what you've added as your payment. Look at it. Wire transfer to bank account. Look at it. Look at the name, everything. So this is actually flexible. You can change it. It's not permanent. you can change it. If you want to edit, or maybe you want to change that particular bank details, you can click on this edit button here. If you want to remove it entirely, you can click on this remove. Okay, so these two buttons are working. If you want to remove this entire payment details you added, maybe you want to change it or you want to remove it entirely, you can click this remove. It will remove it. If you want to edit it, you want to add another one, maybe you're not using the bank again, you want to change to another new bank or account, you can now click on this edit. So it's actually flexible. Don't think that once you've done it you can't change it again. No, you can actually change it anytime you want. So this is how you can properly and correctly add a payment info on your AdSense. So if you follow this method I just showed you here, you don't have anything to worry about. Once the month end and you've gotten up to 100 threshold, YouTube is going to send your earnings directly to that particular details you added on your payment info. So this is how you can actually correctly, properly add your payment details on your payment info. See you in my next video.